We are at Fortessa. They make high-end dinnerware and stuff for golf courses, hotels, restaurants, blah, blah. We're in here because we need some new plates for the studio kitchen, right? And this is their Better Than Black Friday, which means it's the best sale of the year. And I'm about to go in because Amy's already there. But here's the deals. Yeehaw, let's see what they got. Let's go. Beautiful. So here we are yet again. We are at the Fortessa store. They have some beautiful stuff. And we're about to go crazy. Those are kind of cute. Stuff like that.
More sausage?
Stuff like that. More stuff in the back. Flatware's kind of pretty. 40% off. Yay, right? Fancy stuff. Yay, right? Like they got some fancy wine glasses and stuff back here. They usually have some nice glassware back here. Zweezel. Zweezel, yay. That's pretty. It's pretty. Oh yeah. They got some Lodge. Gadget Central. Yay. Yeah, there's more gadgets. I mean, this stuff's like always here, right? Because you gotta have it. Ooh, what's that, a cake dome thing?
Cake.
I don't know. I don't think that's cheap. Yay. We got this stuff. Winco is the name. Oh, if you need a gadget, they generally have it. This is basically a restaurant supply in the front end. It's the back end that they got all the goodies.
Why didn't you get a sheet? Oh, that sheet pans are bigger, huh?
All right.
Look at that, like that.
We know what these are, right? These are called dishers. You can make cookies. Ooh, and they got a variety. Look at that.
Look at the size of that salsa bowl.
Well, yeah, you can make guac in that.
Yeah.
You can make guac in that baby.
Yeah.
No, these are dishers. You use that stuff for cookies.
Okay.
All right, we're in the back here. So this is not open during the year unless you're like a professional restaurateur type people. So they just got boxes. This is mostly just like wine glassville here. And then they got more stuff. Yay, right? This is just crazy. They just got, ooh, what's in the back there? Here's some storage stuff. Oh, Amy loves these. We got some at home. Who knows? If she comes back here, she might buy some. Who knows? I think these are the size that we use. We got some big ones. Oh yeah, and we got the cutting boards here, multicolor. These are awesome. They're huge. Love them, right? And then here's some pans. Yay. I mean, they've got these type bowls and cups and stuff. Over on this side, they've got a variety of stuff too. I mean, you could just go down this thing for miles, right? It's just crazy. What kind of bowl you want? That's what I'm saying. Amy's not going to be out of here in 20 minutes. That'd be against the law. We love this stuff. It's like melamine, so it's like a form of plastic. And you can do display stuff.
Slate, isn't it?
No, it's fake slate. It looks like a slate. It's melamine.
Cool.
No, you can drop this stuff and it's not going to break.
I wonder if I can engrave on that.
The light is from outside shining on it. If I go here, you'll see it's black. You got a big square one. These rectangle ones are kind of groovy. And then you got these big ones here that you can put a lot of stuff in. So yeah, these are great. So Susan brought up a good point. These look like little mini deep fry baskets. Like, why would you do this? I don't know. Maybe you got something that's really petite. Like you want to do one serving at a time.
Yeah, or what if you do, like if you had oil in a pan like this or something, I guess you could do multiple.
Yeah, you could probably do something and not really eat up a lot of space.
Kind of interesting.
Yeah, who knows? But yeah, these are kind of
I like
cute.
miniature stuff.
They're kind of cute, yeah. And then of course, pans, pots. Oh, the ramekins actually.
They almost look like dollhouse stuff.
They really are. But no, this is actually good stuff if you are doing like little dinky tarts and stuff. You're trying to impress people.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, no, these are pretty. These little dipping sauce things. I mean, if you're gonna party, you can use those and offer like a huge variety of flavors and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh God, yeah. But what they do is they sell them by like the carton here, so you can buy a lot, and when it's on sale, it's like woohoo. Yeah, that's like wood.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. So you can use that as, I don't know, to put your hot stuff on, or it's fancy, so it looks good.
It's giving you that rustic look when you're decorating.
It does. Oh, jeez.
Little teeny cups.
Yeah, teeny little cups.
Oh, now you're not gonna get drunk very fast on that.
No, you're not. But if you're gonna play a game, how long does it take? About 20 of those.
Yeah, really. Play quarters.
Exactly. Here, these are some good. These are good if you want to. Now these are big.
Yeah.
I think these are full sheet pans. So these are too big for residentials. They're good for commercial ovens though.
Right.
But you can put all kinds of stuff, and then you can let it drip down below. So if you're frying stuff.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. Here's and then here they're selling just racks here, and then just pans. So I think this is a half pan.
Yeah.
So you can get this, get these, and then you're in business.
Oh,
those are like eighth maybe size.
Yeah.
They're like little dinkies. What's this made of? Rubber?
it's like a.
Yeah.
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 That way your glasses don't slide on them.
Not only that, but I think you can put some hot stuff on them if you really want to, and not worry about
serving dishes. Like
maybe
what dishes that go
or
in the
cast
oven.
iron. Put some hot cast iron on there, maybe. I don't know if it's silicone, you can. So I got some cheap knives. If you want beater knives, this is the place to come because they're cheap. Oh yeah.
Yeah, but do they hold an edge?
For a little while. Yeah.
Oh, an oyster.
Yeah, oyster clam knives. Over here, we got more plates and stuff. It's all pretty, right? I mean, they've got this huge selection. It's all fancy.
Wow, that is good.
Yeah, so this is some heavy gauge steel on that.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, you're not playing around.
Oh my God, look at that. Wow.
This is like Star Wars. All right,
Yeah.
grab one.
Now.
All right. May the force be with you. Come, Joke. Join the dark side.
We get in trouble.
Oh.
You probably used to that like stirring.
Yeah, you probably use those to stir inside these pots. So we got more cups and what big? Oh yeah.
Stick baking that.
Yeah.
It's got. You can actually put that in the oven?
Well, sometimes what you can do is if you're worried about stuff sticking, you put that down and then you put your stuff on there. So maybe if you're baking
a pie or something would go over or something.
Amy bakes some bread-looking stuff.
Oh.
And you can grease and flour all you want, but if you do it wrong, you can put that stuff like jelly rolls. Jelly rolls are like the worst.
Yeah, they get everywhere.
So if you know what you're doing, they're not going to stick, and that is your insurance policy. It is. Springform pans. Oh yeah. Oh, you got some more. Yeah, these are actually a good deal here. They got Cambros back there if you need any.
Cambro?
The big old plastic 6-quart things, 12 quarts with lids. So if you need to put sugar and stuff away.
What else did you?
You bought them because they're $1. Do you need them? Do they have a home?
What do you do with that? Like ingredients?
Yeah. I need a bunch of these. These are $1 too.
Yeah, you just stock up on these bad boys.
I might get some more.
Can't you get? Don't they come in like a
Shower?
cart? Don't they come in a carton?
They have it like a bucket up there, huh?
Oh, they don't. They don't have them in a
They probably
carton.
have them back here.
Yeah, if you find them back here, you can probably get them in a carton. There's a white melamine, which is great. Yeah, yeah. You generally can't break this stuff. It's pretty. So we're back here at the Cambros.
So I need...
You want a 6-quart? Those are 6 quarts right there. Your hand is on something.
I need 1 for...
I know you need
Sugar.
you need sugar, confection sugar, AP, bread flour. All right.
powdered brown AP bread and powdered brown AP bread and what? Why did I pick up?
You have regular sugar, confectioner sugar, 2 flours.
Oh yeah. So I need.
So lids are right there. I mean, you got 8 quarts, but are those too tall? Okay.
Here's.
And there's a 12 quarts, but those are killer.
Here you go.
So that's like $9. Are these the regular? The regular size we use have like handles. These I don't know.
Sell those anymore.
Okay, are these about the same size, or are these a little bigger?
These are a little bigger.
Okay. Like we avoid these ones because these ones are like way too big. So these are some pretty dishes right here, right?
I've had this for a while and I've wanted them forever.
What, these?
These blue ones.
So yeah, we got some dishes here. 20% off. So $3 or $4 a plate. Some are $2. And this is the stuff. Kind of pretty. These are kind of funky. Yay. These are some pretty stuff. $8. Salad plates are $1. Whatever, $1.50, whatever. And these things are 3 or 4, 2.5. So, yeah. So we have some drama. These ramekin looking things are being discontinued. So what they have is what they have. So we either buy a 48 pack of them or a couple of 6 packs and then live with it.
These guys just kind of open this. She's gonna open this box.
How many boxes are in a case?
There should. How many of those are in a case?
Yeah.
Should be.
So Amy has a dilemma. Does she? These things are $1 each. So she spend $48 or 48 of these things, knowing that they'll never. Huh?
It's either $24 for 24 of them.
24 for 24, which is probably enough, Amy.
Yeah. Do you want to do that? That one's kind of open. Okay, so I got 1, I got 2, 3.
Okay, so you're just basically grabbing these things. They're like 6 each.
6 in a box, yeah.
6 in the box. So you only need 4 of them, right?
Right.
Okay. I'm just trying to do some basic math here. Try not to go bankrupt
I
here.
need some silverware.
Silverware.
I got these tasting spoons for when we're just tasting, but I need like set.
You like the silverware that we have upstairs, but you're not going to get
I can't
that.
make it anymore.
So do they have? So how's their stuff?
2 dinner plates. They come in a box of 4.
Oh no. So now we're looking at plates.
The
Yeehaw.
plates are $3.50 each. The smaller plates are $2.50 each. These are 8-inch and those are 4.
Yeah.
No, 6.5. 6.25.
Give me 1 box of these. That would be full.
Yeah, 4 of these.
This is how you get some new dishes.
Yeah.
Just load it on. I'm afraid the pan van is going to earn its name today.
Here's this side.
Today is dishware van.
Now we need
The salad.
Oh, come on, Susan. You're not going to worry about that thing weighs 5 pounds.
No, it was hot, so it opened.
Oh.
So now we got it.
Yay.
Okay.
Wow, look at these.
Those are pretty. So these are curved. You can't quite see that unless you kind of hold it up. But they're good for serving. All right, so we got butterflies. That means one person would be happy with these, right, Dee Dee? Because you know dang well you like butterflies. So that's
Dee
pretty.
Dee and Amy.
That's the glasses.
Black?
Right here.
We got any dinner plates?
What are we looking at? Oh, that's a whole butterfly. Yeah, that right
The
there.
dinner plates come in a box of, like, they're loose like this. I don't know how many's in a box. Oh, here we go. 24
24 what?
of the dinner plates with the butterflies.
Can I just get 4?
Yeah.
Well, this it's 95 a set. If you get a 42-piece place setting, whatever that is, normally it's $400.
Which is that?
But otherwise, they're selling these things for a couple bucks each, I think.
Yeah, they're
The 11-inch is $6 each. So how many do you really need?
4.
Okay,
Those are pretty.
those are pretty. So are they labeled on the back? There you go. All right, we're good then. All right, that's how you save money. All right, so this is roughly how much stuff we bought in addition to that little guy. Yeehaw, pretty, right? So, got a little Black Friday, right?
Okay, so we conquered the place. We came out completely annihilated. I knew I shouldn't have taken myself in there, but I did.
Yeah, you also said you're going to be done in 20 minutes and you weren't.
I did get a lot of good
There's a lot to see.
stuff for the new kitchen. Like the cutting boards and the whatever.